like my lip gloss. Oh, by the way, I wanted to show you. Oh yeah, hold on. Okay. I got this Blossom lip gloss from Francesca's, and it's like so aesthetic, like it's a roll on and it's clear and I love it so much. I have that on right now. I need to refresh it. Okay, hold on. Hey guys, welcome back to PerkyTomato, and today, okay guys, so anyways, as I was saying, today I'm going to be doing another song cover. So I'm going to be doing a song cover of Harry Styles, yes, and Falling by Harry Styles, yes. So I hope you enjoyed. Okay, are you ready? Are we ready? We are ready. Alright, let's go. That was weird. Alright, I'm sorry about that. There's no one to blame but the drink in my wandering hands. Forget what I said, it's not what I meant, and I can't take it back. I can't unpack the baggage you left. What am I now? What am I now? What if I'm someone I don't want around? I'm falling again, I'm falling again, I'm falling. What if I'm down? What if I'm out? What if I'm someone you won't talk about? I'm falling again, I'm falling again, I'm falling. You said you cared, and you missed me too, and I'm well aware I write too many songs about you. Coffee's out at the Beechwood Cafe, and it kills me 'cause I know we run out of things we can say. What am I now? What am I now? What if I'm someone I don't want around? I'm falling again, I'm falling again, I'm falling. What if I'm down? What if I'm out? What if I'm someone you won't talk about? I'm falling again, I'm falling again, I'm falling. I get the feeling that you'll never need me again. No. What am I now? What am I now? What if you're someone I just want around? I'm falling again, I'm falling again, I'm falling. What if I'm down? What if I'm out? What if I'm someone you won't talk about? I'm falling again, I'm falling again, I'm falling. Alright guys, that's basically it. Alright guys, that's basically it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it, comment down below because I love talking to you guys. And if you could, please comment down below your birthday if you want. If your birthday, I wish you happy birthday. Comment your birthday and your favorite food. And yellow sweater. Yes. Okay, so I will see you in my next video. Bye! Enjoy the video, watch my hair, subscribe and like the video, and most of all share the channel. I'm eating chips, by the way.